This is a quick tutorial to showcase a couple of things you can do to make your own videos. So, if you're nervous about making videos because you don't know what to say or you're afraid to ramble, you can come up with a script and then use a piece of software called Teleprompt.me. You go to the website. I'm on a laptop right now, so I'm using teleprompt.me. But if you have a mobile device, there might be something better for you depending on whether you're on iOS or Android operating system. But Teleprompt Me works great on the laptop, and I find that the text is large enough to be able to see. So this little box that's at the top inside Teleprompt Me is where I will go and paste my script. So I'll paste in a little script here, and you'll notice it immediately pops up on the screen. I can choose the size of the script if I want it to be smaller. I kind of like that size right there, but you'll use whatever works for you. And you'll just begin speaking it. And once you begin speaking it, it detects that you're on script and it will start to move along. Let me demonstrate. What is Monate? It stands for Modern Nature. We're an anti aging hair and skincare company. All of our products are plant based, non toxic, free of harsh chemicals. Our hair care is clinically proven to restore your hair from the inside out. All of our hair products promote hair growth, even the hairspray and the dry shampoo. It's amazing. So you see, it followed along with everything I had in the script. So I could literally have a 3-page document pasted into this box. And the minute it decides that I'm on script, it's going to start following along to kind of prompt me. Thus, it's a teleprompt to prompt me what to say. So all the while, if I'm recording myself, I'm looking straight at the camera. I'm using the script as a guide. And if I improvise a little bit and I kind of allow myself to be natural as I'm following the script, it doesn't seem like I'm reading to you. So, this is a great way, a nice tool for making videos where you want to get a point across, you want to stay on track, but you still want to come off as, as just having a conversation rather than reading from a script. I hope this helps.